Hello, it's Tosca here from Wicked Spider. I just dropped in to tell you about three courses that I've got coming up in the next couple of months. The first one is for people that want to sell products and services online but don't want a high ticket website upgrade. And this workshop will be on the 16th of October, and it will teach you how to create your own online shop. It'll be 10 o'clock till 3 o'clock, and you'll leave the day knowing absolutely everything there is to sell your products online, and you'll be able to keep all the profits to yourself rather than giving them to eBay and Etsy and Amazon. The second course is on the 15th of November. This will be again a full day, 10 o'clock to 3 o'clock, and this is for you if you've started your business on a Wix or Weebly website, and you've realised that they have limitations and it's time to upgrade to WordPress. So this course is 10 o'clock till 3, like I said, and it's WordPress for the ambitious business owner. And then early on in January, I'll be running a half-day course showing you exactly what I do to get small business websites found on Google without spending any money on ads at all. So the early bird tickets are available on the website wickedspider.com for the online shop course. If you've got any questions about any of those courses, please let me know.